Are you interested in diving into the world of YouTube and making money without showing your face? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to guide you through the entire process of setting up your very own faceless YouTube channel from scratch. And the best part, we'll be using the power of AI tools to handle everything from scripting to voiceovers and even generating images and videos. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, let's get started. But before we jump into nitty gritty, let's take a moment to see the incredible potential of a faceless YouTube channel. Now, looking at these amazing videos that have racked up millions of views, inspiring and motivating people worldwide, the best part of this is that these channels are pulling in a solid $8,800 a month. Now, you might be wondering if it's too late to join. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. So let's dive into the steps that's going to make it happen for you. First things first, you need to create your own YouTube channel. Head over to youtube.com, log in with your Google account, and click on your profile picture. If you're new to this, click on create a channel and let's brainstorm a catchy name. You can use powerful AI tools like ChatGPT to come up with good, unique, and engaging channel name ideas. Once you do that, you can upload your profile picture right away and then click on create channel. Now, your channel is now live. Now take a look at what we have so far. Next, let's customize your channel. You can do this by clicking on customize channel and navigating YouTube Studio. In the branding section, upload and modify your profile picture and banner image. You can use tools like Canva to design your profile picture and banner. Now remember, a visually appealing and professional looking channel is key to attracting views. Now let's talk about the heart of your videos, the script. A captivating story can make all the difference. You can use ChatGPT to generate all your scripts based upon the niche that you select. So let's say, for an example, you're selecting the motivational story, niche, just type that into ChatGPT, let it run down a script for you, and then boom, you got the first step in the YouTube automation process, right? The next step, you want to give your story a voice, right? So what you want to do is you want to head over to Murph AI, a fantastic AI tool for generating voiceovers. Just copy and paste your script, then choose your preferred voice and let the magic happen. Once you're satisfied, you could download the audio file and you're ready to roll. Next, let's add some visuals to your story using Leonardo AI. This AI powered image generator can bring your story to life. Paste a detailed description of the images you need and let Leonardo AI create them for you. It's a fantastic way to keep your viewers engaged and enhance your storytelling. With your story and images in hand, now it's time to put everything together. Let's use CapCut, a user-friendly video editor, import your voiceover and images, arrange them on the timeline, and even animate your visuals for extra punch. And don't forget to add captions to improve accessibility and engagement. A well-chosen background track can take your video to the next level. Head over to YouTube's audio library to find free music that matches your video's mood. Once you've found a perfect track, download it and add it to your video using CapCut. Adjust the volume and timing fit for your video's pacing. Now your video is ready to shine. Head back to YouTube Studio, upload your video, and craft an engaging title and description. Once again, I would use ChatGPT to help you create an attention-grabbing title and compelling description. And of course, design a captivating thumbnail using Canva to entice viewers to click. And there you have it. You just completed the journey to creating your own faceless YouTube channel, powered by artificial intelligence. I hope this guide has inspired you to jump in the world of YouTube content creation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or thoughts, share them in the comment section below. It's your boy Kurt, Wealth and Fitness Lifestyle. Let's get fit, let's get wealth, let's improve our lifestyle.